Meteorologist Chad Evans, certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
You know, a lot of times mid-October into mid-November, the weather behaves a lot like spring. You get a lot of powerhouse storms around here during that time frame, and we can get some severe weather and some wild temperature swings, and we've got something kind of like that in our forecast. You know, tonight a warm front will go through. The temperature will start to rise a little bit. We're headed for 70s tomorrow, but you know, Denver was 80 today. Pueblo, Colorado was at 83, record highs, and you're under winter storm watches tonight in Colorado, Nebraska, even Utah, down into New Mexico. The Gulf, you can see the moisture percolating here. The Pacific moisture feeding in here, and we've got a bowling ball of a really cold upper low that will dive into the Rockies here. Not only will it bring a lot of heavy snow to the west, but rain and storms for us and a big change in our temperatures. But this evening looks great. If you want to take a walk and enjoy a beautiful sunset, looks good. 62.7, 55 at 9, but cooling off very rapidly. You'll need a jacket. 49 at 11, winds very light out of the west, but as the warm front moves northward overnight, the temperature may start to rise a little bit, and that will give us a really nice, warm, but windy day tomorrow. But scattered storms developing by later tomorrow evening, and then maybe a broken line of storms as we get into tomorrow night. The severe threats right up to the state line. We may expand that, or we may keep it where it is, depending on what the new data shows us this evening. We'll certainly have a new update on that at 11. And then kind of rainy and cool Wednesday, and a little showery and a little unsettled Thursday, Friday. There'll be a lot of cold air aloft, so the clouds bubbling up, and daily a few showers, which may even mix in a little sleet, even a couple wet snowflakes at night. Tonight we'll drop to 41, then rise at Winamac, 44 Lafayette, 38 Burlington, Kokomo. You can kind of see the warm air coming in from the southwest, 45 Fowler before rising a little bit again overnight. And tomorrow, warm and windy, becoming partly cloudy, winds gusting up to 35 miles an hour out of the south and southwest, 75 Monticello, Lafayette, and 73 at Frankfort. Now tomorrow, most of the day is going to be pretty sunny, you'll notice up here, but it will become partly cloudy later on in the day. A few scattered storms will arrive late in the evening, and then whatever is left of that severe weather in Illinois as a line of storms will come through tomorrow night. We may get a brief break Wednesday morning, and then during the afternoon Wednesday, kind of a steady light rain and falling temperatures. There's the scattered severe threat just to our west. Again, we'll have to watch that, but right now we're in pretty good shape. The main severe threat most likely will happen in Illinois with a scattered wind and large hail threat. And rainfall-wise, this is our Raincast product. This is pretty much tomorrow right through Thursday, tomorrow evening right through Thursday. You notice the models are cranking out a half to about 1 inch of rain. The heavier totals in our southeast counties, 2/3 Lafayette, and about a half an inch projected at Rensselaer. There's the 75 tomorrow with the windy conditions. Continued windy well throughout the week here. That 56 Wednesday is misleading, Jeff. That will occur probably about 4 o'clock in the morning, then we'll fall into the 40s during the day. And then just a few little showers Thursday, Friday, not a widespread deal. Any one of those with the cold air aloft could bring down, a few wet snowflakes.
It's going to be kind of a raw week.
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, very good. Kayla Mertens at the Sports Desk for us tonight. Kayla.